In today's video, I'll be listing 5 amazing strategies that will completely change the way you trade and make you profitable in the Forex markets. All you're just going to do right here is to sit tight, watch the video to the very end, and after watching the video, you can possibly save it so you can keep coming back to these strategies over and over again. This will possibly help you a lot. But before we dive right into the video, my name is Gidex. I teach you how to make some cool lot of money in the Forex market and review best strategies that really works in the Forex market. And if you find value in the video, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, and let's jump right into the video. Strategy number 1, breakout strategy. So basically, what is breakout strategy? Breaking out from previous position to the new position. As you can see, this market right here, it has been an uptrend and something happened. The trend changed and become a downtrend. I'm understood. Now, how would you know that market is going to change or is about to take the other direction? Once you know about breakout strategy, that means you are good to go. First and first, for you to know that this market is about to change the other way around, you have to mark out your recent high. Maybe it has gotten to the highest high, and that's why if you want to analyze the charts, you analyze the charts from higher time frames, right? So that you will get the clarity of where the price or the market is going to, right? So first and first, you mark out the recent high. Then you also have to mark out the recent low. This is the recent low. Now, what you are waiting for as a trader is for price to break this position right here. If price get to this place and break it up, you are to keep buying, right? But at this state is quite different, and what we are also will be looking at is the candlesticks that triggers the movement. This engulfing candle telling you that this market is about to change. All you are also waiting for is for price to break this recent low. Immediately price break this recent low, that is a change, and that cause a huge breakout. Let's use this as an example to analyze what market we do. As you can see right here, we have our lows right here. We are having an engulfing candle, and what we are expecting right now is for price to break our recent resistance zone, right? So all you're going to do right here, you can possibly enter the market from this level to this level right here and place your stop loss right below that zone. Okay, so let's replay the chart and let's see what happens. This is what is called breakout, right? It's really going to go as high as possible. As you can see, it's still going in our favor, right? It's still going in our favor. So this is what is called breakout strategy. So it breaks immediately. This candlestick right here triggered. That is what you should be looking out for whenever you are trading breakout. Example number 2 on breakout strategy. For instance, you met a market like this, right? You met a market like this. What are you supposed to do at this particular level? You have to wait for the market to create a low. I'm understood. Let's replay the chart. Mark out this your recent low, because this is our recent low right now, right? Because of this candlestick right here and because of this engulfing candlestick, the price could not get back to this same position again. If you are not still sure, you can possibly still pull out your trend line and mark that zone out. Don't forget that we also need to mark out our recent high. So all we need to do right now is to mark out our recent high, which is very, very important. So what we are basically waiting for is for price to go above this our recent high right here. Immediately price go above this our recent high, that means we are good to go, despite having some confirmation that this market is about to change. As you can see, immediately it breaks that level and it takes a lead up, and that is also a breakout. I'm understood. Strategy number 2, moving average. Moving average is one of the common indicator that a lot of traders use to make good trading decisions. Right here, I'm also going to show you how to set it up and what you should be expecting, and also show you when you are supposed to enter the trade and when you are supposed to exit the trade. Now, if you look closely, you will see some lines on my chart, right? If you've not smashed the like button, make sure you smash the like button right now. And if you've not subscribed, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, right? Very, very important. So first and first, for you to get a moving average crossing like this, all you're going to do is to come over to your indicators. I'm using TradingView. Even in your MT5 or MT4, there are moving average there, and you can possibly set them up or right there. And if you don't know how to set moving average up in your MetaTrader 5, watch this video right here where I break down how to set moving average in your MetaTrader 5 and also how to use moving average properly. Go and watch the video. So first thing first, as you can see, this is our moving average, and for instance, we go ahead and delete this so we can reset it afresh, right? First thing first, come over to indicators and search for MA cross. MA cross is the moving average that I use. As you can see it right here, go ahead and click on it and it will appear right here. As you can see, look at these settings right here. You don't need to do much stuff right here. Come over to this place right here, click on it, right, and click on settings, and they will pop up this for you. So all you're gonna do, as you can see right here, your short, which is your sell, is 9, long, which is your buy, is on 21. Am I understood? Now each time they crosses over their self, you can see a cross mark right there. Cross, 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 cross. That means they cross over their self at that position. Am I understood? And if you don't want to see all these crosses right here, all you're going to do is to also take them out by clicking on your settings, right, and take the cross out. You can come over to cross and click on cross. As you can see, they all disappeared. And if you want to change the lines, you can choose to put your line red to identify sell. Let's just leave it like that on green. Very, very important, so that we'll know that that is our sell and that is our buy. Now let me show you how to use moving average right here. Don't forget that our buy, right, our buy is green and our sell is red. Whenever the red crosses over the green, is a massive sell. If you get over to this place right here, green is under and red is up, and it gives you what? A massive buy, right? The same thing happened over here when the green is up and the red is down. As you can see, it's a massive sell. And when are you going to enter the market? Whenever the moving average crosses over their selves. If you are entering the market, all you're going to do, you have to put your stop loss right at this resistance zone right here, so that if price get back, it might not get back to that same level and you enter the market immediately it crosses over. So that is why I will always advise you to know your support and resistance. So immediately it crosses over is a massive sell. If you get over to this place right here, the same thing happens. When are you going to enter the market and where are you going to put your stop loss? So right here, you can go ahead and let's say you go long, right, and put your stop loss here. I'm understood. As you can see, that is a massive buy right there. The same thing happened over here. When the red line cross over the green line, it's a massive sell. So all you're going to do right here to confirm that this price is really going your way is to also mark out this level, right? Mark out this level. Immediately it crosses over this level, you enter the market. Now if you are entering, you just enter from this particular level right here. You enter from this particular level right here, pick your profit. You don't use moving average in a ranging market and in a consolidation market, because they will keep crossing over themselves and you wouldn't know what price is doing at that particular level. Use moving average when the market is on trend, uptrend or downtrend. As you can see, the same thing happened over here. They crosses over themselves and there's a rapid buy right there, right? As you can see, it gets over to this place and they cross over themselves, and that's it, sell right there. And it gets to this particular place again and cross over themselves at this particular area, and that is a buy. Smash the like button if you find value in the video. So now the number 3 strategy is price action trading strategy. Now price action strategy in such a way that you are using the previous price movement to predict the future price movement. That is what price action trading is all about, right? Here is our previous price movements and we have to use that to identify what will eventually happen. All I want you to do right here is to mark out your key levels, right? Which this is our recent high, and I'm also gonna mark out our recent low, right? This is a ranging market. At this time, you have to forecast what price will be doing next, right? Price is around this particular level right here. Now our prediction is if price get to this place and break it, right, then we'll keep what? Buying. Around this area right here, price might get to this area, right? Get to this area. Once it breaks it, right, we are going to keep what? We are going to keep selling. Let's replay this chart and see. Now our prediction is right because price gets above this and it breaks that zone. Immediately it breaks that zone. It's a what? It's a buy. It's a massive buy. Now we have our recent low. and this is our recent high, right? This is our recent high, right? All we're waiting for, because we are using the replay method, all we are waiting for is for price to get to this level. If it breaks it, fine, we are going to keep what? We are going to keep buying. It might get to this level, right? If it did not break it, get back here and did not break it, it might get back up here, right? Or get back down and break this zone. Whatsoever the market tell us, that is what we are going to do. So now let's replay this. Even if it did not get to that particular zone, it eventually gets down here to retest the zone to push back up. Now this level is broken. That means we are going to enter what? We are going to enter long. We will go ahead and enter the market. First profits, right? And maybe second profit. Make sure you only what? Risk 1% or 2% of your trading account, and let your aim be 2% and 3% of what you are possibly risking. So let's replay and see what happens there. As you can see, this is what price action is all about. Strategy number 4 is support and resistance bounce. Where support bounce and get back up, right? Or where resistance bounce and get back down. Understood? This strategy is majorly used in a consolidation market or in a ranging market, right? Where price go hit up and get back down. Let me show you guys something right here. For instance, we have this position right here. We have this position right here. We also have this right here. Now, for instance, this is a ranging market, right? And support and resistance bounce work like this. This is your support, get back up, bounce, get back down and hit your support, get back down, hit your resistance, get back down, hit your support, get back down, hit your resistance, get back down and hit your support. Now this is what support and resistance bounce is all about. How are you going to trade a ranging market like this? And whenever you are trading in a ranging market like this, right, always have this in mind, that price will always bounce at that particular direction, right? All you need to do is to keep taking your profit immediately it bounces, and you are ought to enter the market immediately it bounces before it breaks out. Am I understood? Let's use this ranging area as an example. As you can see right here, price get to this place, right, hits this level, get back up, hit that particular level, get back here, hit this level, get back, hit this level, get back, hit this level. This is support and resistance bounce, right? Get all the way and possibly do some stops right here, get up here, bounce, get back down, bounce, get back up, bounce, and get to this place. You are ought to be taking your profit in every bounce. I'm understood. That's why you have to mark that area before taking any trade. The number 5 strategy is the fundamental strategy, which is the news trading strategy. I'm understood, because a lot of people don't know how to trade the news. As a forex trader, if you don't know how to trade the news, that means you will possibly be missing out. And this is what you need to be successful in the forex market. As a forex trader, you have to know how to trade the news. And first and first, if you are to trade the news, there are websites that you need to go to, right? But I possibly love using my FX book and Forex Factory. These are news websites, right? These are news websites, and this will tell you when the news will be dropping. If you are a beginner, I would just advise you to understand each news before you jump into trading the news. Am I understood? Now let me tell you guys something. Now if you come to my FX book, come to economic calendar, and if you open FX Factory directly, they will bring you to this face right here. You have to also check your time, right? If it is not corresponding with this time right here, you can go ahead and change it. Now as you can see over here, all these news marked here are the news that has dropped. As you can see, USD card is dropping around 1 hour 32 minutes, right? USD is also dropping around 1 hour 32 minutes. Those are the currencies news that will be dropping. If you look around here, you will see low, you will see medium, you will see high. Now these low news are the news that don't normally move the markets like that, or unless maybe 1 or 2 things happen, then it moves the market. In the medium news are the news that move the market medianly. Understood? It doesn't impact the market that much. As you can see right here, if you come over to high, that means these are the news that usually move the market. These are high impact news, and whenever you're trading at this particular time, there's something I used to do. I would just click on the news. If I don't understand the news, right? If I don't understand the news, I would just click on the news, go through the news, read the news, right? If I don't understand the news, I can possibly go ahead, copy the news. I will just come to ChatGPT, paste it right here. Now I will now ask ChatGPT, is it to buy or sell? ChatGPT will eventually break down the news for you. Now it is now left for you to choose if you are going to go on buy or go on sell. If you find value in the video, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell and smash the like button, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.